Hello everyone, welcome to my next video. In today's video, join me in learning about the mass production process of cigarettes, see how their factory produces billions of cigarettes every day. Start the production process at the tobacco farm. Here, workers will harvest standard tobacco leaves and collect them for transport to the drying area. After being harvested, tobacco leaves will be tied into long strips to facilitate the drying process. They will then be hung up high as you see here. To ensure the quality of the cigarettes, these leaves will be dried to reduce the moisture content to 12 to 14% and then transported to the cigarette factory. At the factory, the process begins with screening the tobacco leaves. These tobacco leaves will be carefully inspected to remove impurities and poor quality leaves. After completing the screening stage, standard tobacco leaves will continue to be transferred to the rough grinding stage. During this stage, the tobacco leaves are crushed into smaller pieces to prepare for the next processing steps. At the factory, these workers remove the leaf stems after they have been coarsely ground. After that, the tobacco leaves will begin the shredding process. At this cutting stage, different types of tobacco fibers will also be mixed in certain proportions to create the desired flavor and strength for the final product. Next, the tobacco fibers will be aged in storage under carefully controlled temperature and humidity conditions for a period of 1 to 3 weeks to help the tobacco leaves ferment, thereby creating the characteristic flavor of the tobacco. After completing the incubation process, the tobacco fibers will be loaded into the machine to begin the cigarette rolling process. The automatic cigarette rolling machine will take on the task of adjusting the tightness of the cigarettes, ensuring that each cigarette has an even weight. This process helps create high-quality final products that meet customer requirements and manufacturer standards. This yellow paper roll plays an important role in helping the machine connect the cigarette to the filter. The filter has the effect of filtering out harmful substances in cigarette smoke, helping to minimize negative impacts on the smoker's health. Using yellow paper helps users more easily distinguish between drugs with filters. For cigarettes that do not meet standards, this machine will take care of separating each component of the cigarette for the remanufacturing process. Under the influence of strong vibrations, the cigarette and the wrapping paper will be separated. This process saves raw materials and ensures that ingredients can be reused effectively, helping to reduce waste and protect the environment. Next, quality cigarettes will go through a careful packaging process. This process ensures that each pack is well protected maintaining the product's flavor and freshness. After packaging, tobacco products will be ready to be distributed to the market and to consumers. You see the simple way she wraps her cigarettes, right? In addition to machine production, you can absolutely make your own cigarettes by hand like this girl is doing. This is also a favorite way for many people to create personal cigarettes and their own style. Smoking is very harmful to health. Please consider carefully before using it.